Hi guys, this is Julie
and Lynn from Delicious Korea.
This time we'll be making dalgona, that is Korean sponge candy made from sugar. We're gonna show you 2 different ways to enjoy dalgona today. Both ways are really easy to make, so you can make it on your own. Are you ready? Then let's get started!
Here are the ingredients. Sugar, baking soda, scoop, chopsticks, spoons, depresser, metal mold, paper foil. Put 2.5 spoons of sugar on a scoop. Turn on gas stove and stir the sugar with a chopstick above the fire. Keep stirring it and you can see it melt. When sugar melts enough, add a small spoon of baking soda to it. Keep stirring it and you can see it blow up. Then pour it on a paper foil. Before it hardens, press it with a depresser. If you don't have a depresser, you can press it with a pot. Now it's time to make a shape. You can use any shape of mold. We chose moon shape this time. You have to take away the mold right after you press it. If you wait some time, it will be messed up. Try again. Made it! If you try to cut the exact shape along the line, you will have more fun.
Here are the ingredients. Kitchen hammer, ice, sugar, instant black coffee, baking soda, milk, scoop, chopsticks, spoons, paper foil. Make dalgona just like we did before. Cool it down until it hardens. When they get hard, wrap it with a paper foil and smash it. The more you smash it, the smaller pieces you get. It's time to make coffee. Put instant black coffee mix into boiled water. Put some ice in the cup. Pour coffee. And milk. Lastly, decorate the top of coffee with dalgona. Or if you don't have enough time, you can get this product on Amazon.com.